Hey, Megan, come on in. Take a seat. Somewhere.
Wow, this place is a disaster. And the smell.
It's not so bad.
Yes, it is. It's terrible.
Oh, come on.
No, look, there are pizza boxes all over the floor.
Do you need a piece?
Wait, I think that company's been closed. Like 2 months ago, for health reasons. The stains on the carpet from who knows what. Say goodbye to your deposit. I'm not even going into the bathroom. And what is that smell?
What smell? Wait. What?
What is in your garbage? This milk is curdled. How long has it been in there? Like, are you trying to develop intelligent life? Like, I mean, it looks like you're building a civilization in there.
It's not so bad.
You keep saying that. You need to hire a cleaning service.
A what?
Yes, a cleaning service.
Cleaning service?
Yes. You know my friend. She has her own company. They'll come to your apartment, clean everything from top to bottom, clean your carpet, and it certainly needs it. Dust your furniture, sweep, mop, everything. Clean your blinds, not that you'd notice. Closets, and your appliances.
That sounds expensive. I don't think I can afford that.
They usually send out teams of 2 people, but for you, they're going to need a whole hazmat crew.
Well, how much?
Well, they usually charge $30 an hour.
$30?
But
whoa!
It's gonna be more for you, I'm sure.
Whoa, that's expensive.
Look, you always tell me you don't have friends. I can see why. Give them a try. Look, I can get you a discount. Okay? You can't keep living like this.
Well, sis, do you have time? Maybe you could...
No. In fact, I remembered I have to be somewhere.
Okay, well, what's their number?
I'll text it to you later. Goodbye.
Bye.